Wow, I look crazy. What's up YouTube, it's Michael and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing a wig. I'm changing my hair all the time now because I be tired of wigs fast now. I just be like, tired of it. But yeah, this wig was sent to me by Cranberry Hair. It's a 13x4 frontal and it came loose deep wave, but obviously I washed it after I bleached the knots and I was plucking it and stuff, so you see, it just looks like regular body wave. So that's what it's looking like now. In the box, it comes with pretty much nothing. It comes with these lashes. I hate these type of lashes. And it comes with a it's not even a wig cap. It's a fishnet stocking thing. Yeah, I'm not using that. But yeah, anyways, I tried this on and it's actually a little tiny bit too small, just a little bit. Lace was really easy to plug. Like I wasn't sitting there struggling. It wasn't too thick, you know. The knots took a long time to bleach, but whatever. The only thing, this is not a transparent lace. It's like a brown lace. I hate when companies send me brown lace because I'm not a brown skinned girl. We're gonna be struggling with this wig again. I'm gonna put makeup on the lace right now, but before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so I just finished putting makeup on the cap. The lace, and I'm not even gonna lie, it looks a little bit better. I'm probably gonna do it glueless, put some free spray or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do it glueless. Yeah, I'm still gonna do the wig cap method though, so I'm just gonna speed all these clips up because y'all already know how I do it. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm about to put the wig on. Alright, so now I finished gluing down my wig cap. I'm about to put this wig on. This wig is too small for my head. Oh, it's not that small. Wait. Okay, so it's actually not that small, which I am very happy about because I feel like every wig be too small for me. The only thing about this wig is that the lace is not my color. Once again, this lace does not match my skin and it's not gonna blend in. Like I already know for a fact it's not going to. Should I do a middle part or a side part, y'all? I don't know. Alright, so I have to go fix this wig off camera. I decided that I'm gonna do a side part. I already kind of put like a little bit of concealer. That really helped. Like the concealer really helped, being that this is not my lace color. So as you guys can see, I already did the part. I'm gonna hold the wig up a little bit more so it's like covering the wig cap. I swear, it's like I'll be plucking the wig and then as soon as I put it on my head, I feel like I didn't pluck anymore. But when I'm plucking it, I feel like I'll be plucking too much. This is gonna be a side part, so I'm not gonna be worried about this side too much. Alright, I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs off. Yes, that fits perfect. That's perfect. These companies need to start asking me for my wig sizes because y'all sending these small wigs and I can't fit it. Like, but we will make it work. I have faith in this wig. I really do. So let's see. One thing I'm gonna say about this wig, it does shed. Not even gonna lie about that. It was shedding when I was washing the bleach out. Like it was shedding, not OD, but like it was shedding. Yes, that fits perfect. Let's go. Alright, this hair is thick though. Like I like the density of this wig. I don't even know what density this is, but whatever it is, it's really good. The details will be in the description. I normally don't like dark hair, but for some reason I just like the way this wig looks. Like, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do this side first. Right here, the wig is not like coming all the way down, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, being that it's a side part anyways. Alright, so everything is glued down. I did 2 layers, so I'm gonna do like minimal baby hairs over here, maybe just like one right here. I'm gonna go with my She Is Bomb wax stick so I could make the wig like flat. Even though this wig actually is pretty flat, like it's not bulky, it's not really like boxy, like it's pretty flat for the most part. This is a loose deep wave, even though like I brushed it out. I finally got a water bottle that's like a mist, like you just spray and it's just like it comes out. I don't want to wet it too much because like I'm not going for a wet look. Yes, this wig is really flat. Like this is my scalp. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace. I hope everything goes good. I hope nothing messes up. Alright, so I just finished cutting the rest of the lace. This side looks horrible right here, but I did that on purpose because it's nothing I could do. So don't pay attention to right here. I'm gonna spray it with free spray in like certain places. It's like I always cut myself over here. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not adding any baby hairs on this side because I want to wear this hair like this, so I'm not even gonna do anything to the side, but I'm gonna add like small simple baby hairs on these two sides, well on this side. Just a tip for when you're doing your baby hairs shouldn't be thick, so you should like pluck them so it's like very thin. Second tip, the shorter your baby hairs are, the more natural it will look. So if you want it to be like very dramatic and stuff, then you could leave it long, but I don't want that. I want it to look very natural. And I'm gonna go on with some Eco Style gel. You can use mousse, you can use whatever you want, honestly. Okay, I think that's fine, just like that. I'm not even gonna drag it. Alright, I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. Y'all cannot tell me I didn't body this. For it to be too small and for the lace to not be my color, come on now. Like, this is not perfect, but it's still like I can walk out the house with this, you know? Like, the lace isn't my color, the cap wasn't, thing wasn't my size, but you know, it's still like, it's still manageable. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this wig. Hold on. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be doing a lot more wig installs because I actually want to get really good at installing my own wig. So I'm gonna be doing like a lot of wig install videos because I need to master this. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.